Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix paper jam in Epson WorkForce Pro WF-3820. So my printer is pretty good and there are no paper jams inside, but anyway, let me show you what to do if you have this problem. You will see a corresponding message on the printer's display about the paper jam. So what you need to do in this case, first of all, open the scanning unit. You have this notch over here, so stick your finger and lift the scanning unit until it gets fixed in the place like this. And here you may see a sheet of paper sticking out from under the rollers. So what you need to do is grab the sheet and slowly pull towards you to remove from under the rollers. Do not use too much force. Try to not tear the paper. If it's really stuck, maybe it's better to check from another side. I mean, you need to close the scanning unit and face the back panel of your printer. And now grab these two handles and squeeze them toward each other and pull this section toward you. And look for jammed paper. Maybe you can remove it from here. Also move it slowly. Try to not tear the paper sheet. And if there are some small pieces of paper inside, use tweezers to remove small pieces. But do not use any sharp tools like awls, like knives. Do not damage your printer. Just only hands and tweezers. After you've removed all the jammed paper from inside of the printer, the error message should disappear from the screen. But if that didn't happen, try to restart your printer. Just power off and power on back again. But if the paper won't come out and you feel like you're having to force it too much, or it's stuck under the cartridge and you can't remove it even after slightly lifting the cartridge, I recommend you to contact service center, because force and printers are incompatible things. You can just damage the printer and void your warranty. To avoid paper jam, always make sure you correctly load the paper into the paper tray, aligning with the paper guides, horizontal and vertical, and your paper stack should not go above the limiter on the right paper guide over here. And also make sure that your paper is not wrinkled, torn or damp. And one more thing, do not use the paper that is not recommended for this printer by manufacturer. That's pretty it. Actually, I've got nothing more to add, and if this video was helpful, consider to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button to support us, and be awesome. See you in the next videos. Bye guys.